Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have a Canon M50 here, and I'm going to show you how to reset everything back to factory defaults. In other words, maybe you messed up something on your camera, something's not working right, and you just want a fresh start as if you just went on, bought this camera, took it right out of the box, and that's basically how you want it, okay? So how you do this is, I'm going to start back over here, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera off first. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it on. I have it in video mode, or you can put it in manual mode. There's a lot of other settings that you can leave it on, but there's some of them that doesn't work. So just make sure you have it in on M or video mode is fine, okay? Just to make things easier. Let me go ahead and turn my camera on now. Give it a second here, okay? And now from here, simply go ahead and press on menu. And then from here, we want to go over to function settings, tap on that. And then from here, we want to go to number 5. So we're number function settings number 1, 2, 3, 4, and go down to number 5. And number 5, it says clear settings right here. Let me go ahead and tap on that. See, the thing is, some of the settings up here, you won't have that number 5 option, okay? So again, just leave it on M or video mode, and you should see that number settings number 5. Anyways, from here, you have 2 options. You can go ahead and clear everything on the camera settings as if you just bought the phone brand new, took it out of the box, or if you wish to, you can just go down here and clear all your custom functions. I'm just going to go ahead and reset everything back to the way it was when I originally bought this. So go ahead and click on Set here. And now it says clear all camera settings. Make sure you go over to OK and then click on OK here. Give this a second here. And voila! We are now in business as if we just bought this camera and took it right out of the box. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.